we help you?
A lot of good things back from our clients about the in-shop experience that they have. They're telling us that they're able to accommodate their schedule to come in on their own time to get the work done. They also love the technicians being on site, having the tools and even NOI parts to help them up and keep them going in the meantime. They also love the fact that we can get those people in a timely manner. We don't have to book them out for a week or so. They can come in next day or day after, depending on the in-shop schedule.
I choose to come here because I live about an hour away, and the repairman doesn't have everything that he needs when he gets to my home because something unexpected came up. It's good to come up here to have it fixed because sometimes they have an inventory of things and it just makes things go more smoothly.
As a service technician, the in-shop repair and service appointments are a lot easier in the fact that I've got my tools here, plus I have access to any other tools in the shop that may be needed. Plus I get the opportunity to see a lot more customers because there's no drive time in between appointments. So overall, it's a much better fit and feel.
What I like about Numotion in-shop repair is the ease of coming in on my own schedule, the ease of making the appointments. It's always convenient. Everybody in the shop is so nice. And occasionally, if I have a little extra something I throw on them, they can help me out with that too.